parts of a circle. Here is a circle. This red line is called the diameter. The diameter goes right across the circle, passing through the centre. The circumference is the distance that goes all the way around the circle, shown by the black line here. Any line going from the middle of the circle, shown in green, to the outside of the circle, the line is shown in blue, is called the radius. You should notice that the radius is half the diameter, or in other words, the diameter is twice the radius. This purple line is called a chord. A chord goes from one part of the circumference to the other at any time. For example, these things. You may also know or notice that a chord, or rather the diameter, is a special type of chord. An arc is the shape that part of the circumference describes. The chord splits the circle into two segments, a minor one, shown in brown there, and a major one that I'm scribbling all over in red just here. The final part to cover is a tangent. Tangent is a line that just touches the outside of a circle. You can see it here. So there we go, all the parts of the circle, and they're all labelled over here, just like you can see. So we have the centre, and that's here. We have the diameter, which is this line along here. The circumference, which is all the way around the outside of the circle. The radius here, which is any point from the middle to the circumference. Could be there, could be along there, whatever you like. A chord. This is a line that joins through the inside of the circle from one part to another. Remember that the diameter is a special type of chord. There's the arc. Here we go. That's described part of the circumference. There are segments. This is what we get when we use a chord to split a circle. Here's a minor segment because it's smaller, and a major segment, all of this stuff here, is the larger part. And last of all, the tangent. The tangent touches the circle. Tangent touches the circle. So I hope that's made it clear for you. Thank you very much for listening. So can you remember what all the parts are? Here we go. Better just draw in that last bit just there for you. What was this bit? The black line going all the way around the circle. Next, what was this? Right in the very middle of it all. Now there's the two lines that come in contact with that green dot, the red one and the blue one. What were they called? This purple line here has musical connotations. It can be anywhere around inside the circle, joining one part of the black line to the other. What's that called? On either side of the purple line, you get two parts of this circle. What are they called? And last but not least, this yellow line that just touches the outside of the circle. Quite a number of things there to remember. Oh, and I forgot. There's also got to be number 7. What's that?